Hearty congratulations to VANI Institute GATE 2019 toppers.
Hello friends, my name is Suryanarayana Vijaykumar Vaddepalli. I had secured All India Rank 1 in GATE Production and Industrial Engineering. I had joined online test series from VANI Institute for my preparation. The questions were up to the GATE level. There was a proper solution given to each and every question. For some of the critical questions, even there was video solutions provided. To secure a good GATE score, I suggest students to complete all the test series given from the VANI Institute. Apart from this, VANI Institute provides full-time support to all its students, irrespective whether they have joined full-time classes or whether they have joined online test series. I suggest future GATE aspirants to go for VANI Institute.
You